What do you know about AI? You're going to see a shocking video about the Chinese government using AI in order to control people in the classroom, in order to track their performance, in order to even track when they're looking their phones or not. So let's go to the video, and after you have seen this video, you're going to realize what really is the impact of AI if we let the government rule the AI.
At this primary school in China know exactly when someone isn't paying attention. These headbands measure each student's level of concentration. The information is then directly sent to the teacher's computer and to parents.
Good job!
Classrooms have robots that analyze students' health and engagement levels. Students wear uniforms with chips that track their locations. There are even surveillance cameras that monitor how often students check their phones or yawn during classes. But schools say it wasn't hard for them getting parental consent to enroll kids into what is one of the world's largest experiments in AI education. A program that's supposed to boost students' grades while also feeding powerful algorithms.
为了国家的这个研究呀、发展呀，我觉得是没有问题的。
After watching this video, you may think that China is far away, it's a dictatorship, it cannot happen in the Western world. But I can assure you that there are some Western countries that are actively tracking their citizens and are actively tracking the behavior of their citizens using AI. So if you want to learn how to use AI for your interests or just a knowledge when it is used against your interests, you just have to go in my link in the description and start your path in order to learn and leverage these new technologies.